Right, in part 1 we arrived at this quadratic equation. So from this we arrive at this quadratic equation in x. And this is the beauty about mathematics. We start with something complicated and we're able to simplify it. Now we need to solve this. We'll have two values for x because this is a quadratic equation. We can test this quadratic to see what solutions we'll get. We can use something called a discriminant, and that's just b squared minus 4ac. So we square b, which is give us 25, that's minus 5 squared, and take that away from 4ac. 4ac will be a negative number and minus 4ac will be positive, so we know this, b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, so we know this has two real solutions. Let's go ahead and find out what they are. 8 times negative 3, that's 8 times 8 times c, which is negative 24. We need to find two factors. When multiplied will give us that, which is 8 and 3. But in order to get negative 5, we must be negative 8 and add 3, or positive 3. So we'll rewrite this as 8x squared minus 8x add 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. We'll factorize here 8x into x minus 1, and this is add 3 into x minus 1. We'll factorize again. We have x minus 1 is common to 8x and 3. And now we can solve for x. We have x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means we have x is equal to 1. We add 1 to both sides, and we have 8x add 3 is equal to 0. We have 8x is equal to negative 3, and x is equal to minus 3 over 8. So our two solutions, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 3 over 8. And this is part 2, which solves the initial equation given at the top here. Thank you.